Hi, today I'm making pan-seared salmon in mango salsa. This was so much fun. This is just a weeknight meal. The biggest part of this will be the prep for the mango salsa. I just was doing one salmon steak. It was about $4, and all of my vegetables were about $2.50. So it's a really affordable meal. So what I'm beginning with a quarter cup of diced mango, as well as an eighth of a cup of finely diced avocado, maybe like 2 tablespoons of finely chopped tomatoes, as well as an eighth of a cup of cilantro, 2 tablespoons of red onion, a eighth of a cup of red bell pepper. And then instead of the jalapeno, which you can certainly use as much as you like, I actually just used green bell pepper because I didn't want anything too spicy. But the spicy and the sweet for mango salsa is very common. You're going to use a tablespoon of lime juice as well as salt and pepper to taste. And once you have completed your mango salsa, you can set that aside in the refrigerator, and then we're going to go and prepare our salmon. I bought my salmon steak with the skin on, and so it's very easy to peel it off. You just take a sharp knife and you're going to gently sort of separate the skin from the flesh of the fish. And once it's done, you just discard the skin on the salmon. I then take a clove of chopped garlic and I'm adding it to 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm seasoning my prepared fish with salt and just pepper. That is all that it is. There's nothing else on there. And then I'm going to lay that salmon into a very hot pan and let the salmon sear on both sides for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side. Once it's done, you can serve it on a plate, add your mango salsa to it. It was such a special treat for a weeknight meal. It was under 30 minutes. It was affordable. I definitely recommend this.